Hey guys, I'm Jesse Howard, back again with more teaching how to use nunchucks. Today we're going to be learning, I actually don't know what this is called. I just know how to do it. It's probably my favorite move with the nunchuck. Basically, you're going to have your nunchuck, the way you hold it right here at the chain, okay? And if you're using your right hand to hold them, you want to put it on your left hip, or vice versa. If you're left-handed, put it on your right hip, okay? Hold it right here, and what you do is you're gonna spin, you're gonna throw it up, and you're gonna spin. This is gonna spin, okay? And when it does, it's gonna wrap around your hand. You're gonna let go of the one your right or left hand is holding on, grabbing onto this, and grabbing onto that one and going to the other hip. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, see how it's wrapping around my hand to where you're switching. This, if you're ever doing this in front of the crowd, this is an impressive move. Okay, when you're holding this, hold it like that, okay? Always hold it like this. If you're gonna hold it down here, whatever, this move is gonna be really hard to do. Like, see how it's dropped trying to do that. So just hold it up by the chain, by the metal part close to the chain, and you're gonna wrap around. See how it wraps around? You're gonna let go of the one you're holding on, and it's gonna spin, and you're gonna catch onto this one into the other hip. It's gonna look like this. You can do this, you practice this move slow, you'll get it down, and once you learn how to do it fast, real audience leader, try to move around when you're doing it, okay? It makes it harder, but yet it also gets you a sense of movement in it. Okay, now we're gonna be adding on to this. What I mean by that is when you spin it, you're gonna, instead of just having it hit your hip right here, you're gonna sling it around, and you're gonna catch with your other hand right here. Okay, so it's gonna look like this from behind. You're doing what I just taught you right here, then you're swinging around, grab it right here, keep going. Okay. When you catch it, it's just very simple. It's just kind of hard. Don't have your hand like this. This is not good. Have it downward like you would, okay? You grab it. Try to grab it right here on the metal part, okay? It's hard if you don't. Okay? Now, this makes an audience, like, trust me, it's real audience leading if you do that. Okay? Try to work on that slow. It's gonna take a bit of time. It took me a month or so to try to get that down. Not this part, but of course the full thing and how to do it fast. Okay, try with both hands, okay? Catch it, swing it around. Use your left hand. Use both hands for this move. It's gonna be a lot easier because when you pass around, you know, you're using your other hand. Try slow with both hands, then add the throw behind and catch. So just do this, and when you're ready, switch hands and practice. Once you get that down, all you need to do is just go back behind, do it again. Okay? Really simple, very fun. Next video, I'm going to teach you something real simple. It's just this, you know, and the add-on to that, which makes it cooler. Anyways, if you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to help it out. And if you didn't like it, then tell me in the comments nicely. I don't want any of that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.